We have with us the MOS Finance JD Seelam. Let's speak to him. So what should we expect from this interim budget being an election year?
No, it's irrespective of election year. This has been our endeavor to see that the concerns of the farmers, the middlemen, the middle class, and especially the underprivileged and the poor and the common man is our concern today, yesterday, and tomorrow. That will continue to be our driving force. Growth with inclusiveness, growth with equity are the pillars of the UPS total economic delivery. I think the finance minister, who is capable, who is experienced, would do a very good job, and that he has lived up to what he said. He has kept the current account deficit and the fiscal deficit at the promised level, even improved in this economic scenario. I think the overall budget is going to be in the interest of everybody.
But do you think it's a mere formality, sir? You just have 2 months. It's too little, too late?
No. You have seen what we have achieved 10 years. In this country, the average growth rate for the last 20 years, or shall I say 1991 onwards, when Mr. Manmohan Singh started the economic reforms, the average growth rate is 7%. There are years where we have crossed 9.5. There are years there is less, but the average, it's nowhere in the history of any country in the world. I think we are proud of our UPS policies. Yes, the media has created an impression that it's not, but the figures will justify what I say. And I'm sure you will appreciate after, the Honorable Finance Minister presents the budget today, whatever it is, it may be interim, but it is a budget, an exercise is done. We have our strengths.
You boast about the Aam Aadmi welfare in your budget, because Pranab Mukherjee did talk about the Aam Aadmi in 2009, but after that the Aam Aadmi party has actually stolen that motto from you. So can you talk about the Aam Aadmi in your budget?
It's an aberration. Nobody can steal from the 125 years old party. That may be 125 days old, but it's not. It's an unnecessary. You have seen saying that he is running away from the response. Anyway, I'm not going to. Today is a very good day. Good day for Indians. Good day for Indian women as well. Thank you.
All the best. And the MOS Finance actually hinting that this budget is going to be a pro-poor budget, and some good news also coming in for the Indian women. Mosmi Singh for Headlines Today in Delhi.